So first thing is you have to stretch your glute. Keep your right leg there and bend forward gently. Drop your elbow. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly straight your hand and try to move your right hip a little bit down and feel the stretch in your left glute. Okay, it's very important to make a foundation so that you can sit properly. Move your both the hand to the right side. Very good. Stretch even deeper. 3, 2, 1. Okay, slowly come up. Now go for a level 1. We have 3 levels as I said. Level 1, bend the knee and grab your ankle. Take your left hand up and stay right there. Once you're comfortable here, then we move for the next one. Okay, keep your leg a little bit inside. Make sure that your hip is turning a little in and try to lengthen your spine a little more higher. Lengthen your spine. Open your chest and look up. Bend the knee more. Try to bring it a little more in. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Now level 2. The ankle will go for the elbow. Very good. And then try to bring your hands behind. Try to grab your both the arms. Very good. Look up. Level 2. Stay there. 3, 2, and 1. Now level 3. Keep your both the hands down there. Bend your right leg. Now when you hold it here and you grab your toes like this, try to bring it more close to the shoulder first. Yes, wait there. Don't rotate now. Just bring it in. Wait right there. Wait right there. Pull more in. Now rotate. Very good. Rotate. Very good. Bring both the hands back. Very good. Try to grab a little bit slowly. Move your hand a little bit down. Grab properly. Now try to bring your elbow a little closer. Little closer. Now focus on your right shoulder. Try to move your right shoulder a little up like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Elbow closer. Very good. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Exhalation. Relax.